Before the video starts, I just want to say we are almost there to getting 200 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe and drop a like on the video. Now, let's get started. Today I am making a video on my fire alarm collection as of 2025. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you the first 3 devices that started all this. Now, let's get started. As you can see, I have 4 of these BG12 style pull stations. I have this Firelight BG12. And then over here, I have a Firelight BG12L. This is the same pull station as I just showed you, but this one resets with a key. And then over here, I have an FCIMS7S. This pull station is pretty much the same thing as the first 2 pull stations I just showed you, but this one is single action. And then, I have a Notifier and BG12L. That's it for this section. Now let's move on to the next section. As you can see, I have 3 of these P2Ws. And then over here, I have a PC2W. And then, I have an HW horn. And then over here, I have 2 SPSWs. That's it for system sensor. Now let's move on to simplex. And you can see, I have 2 True Alert strobes. One is free run, and then the other one is smart sync. And then, I have 2 of these True Alert horn strobes. One is selectable, and the other one is smart sync. Over here, I have 2 True Alert speaker strobes. Just like the horns I just showed you, one is selectable, and one is smart sync. Over here, I have 3 of these 4903 devices. I have this electronic horn, and I have 2 of these mechanical units. One is a horn only, and the other one is a horn strobe. Over here I have 3 simplex T-bars. One is dual action, one is single action, and then the last one is key operated only. All 3 of these pull stations are addressable, but I bypassed the addressable module on all 3. That's it for simplex. Now let's move on to Wheelock. As you can see, I only have 3 Wheelock devices. One is a speaker strobe, which doesn't really work anymore. And then I have 2 Wheelock exceeders. One is a strobe only, and the other one is a horn strobe. Now we are at the last section, which is EST. As you can see, I have 3 of these Sega-style pull stations. 2 of them are dual action, and the other is single action. And then, I have this EST horn cover. I originally had a horn only, but it broke. Over here I have 3 of these EST Genesises in white. I have a strobe only, a horn strobe, and then I have a chime strobe. And lastly, I have two of these EST speaker strobes. They are both pretty much the same thing, except one has no fire lettering. As you can see, these are the first three devices that started all this. This is a BG12. This is a Simplex 4099-9006 addressable fire alarm pull station. And lastly, this is a System Center SPSW speaker strobe. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like on the video. Alright, that's all for the video, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.